You special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back.
Hey y'all, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got August favorites. It's September. Fall is around the corner. I cannot believe it. I did not do a favorites last month, so I'm happy to get back to it. I don't know about y'all, but I absolutely love watching favorites and hauls because I think I'm makeup nosy. That's the only time I'm nosy. Any other time, I'm not. But when it comes to hauls and favorites, I just want to know what everyone's using, what you like, what you don't like. So we're gonna go ahead and kick it off with my number one favorite, and it's probably going to be my favorite for the rest of the year, my Keep It Simple Makeup Guide book. Y'all, thank you so much. I'm gonna keep saying thank you because I mean it for all the love and support. If you have not picked up your Keep It Simple Makeup Guide, it is available on my website. The link for the makeup guide and all of my products are in the description box down below. The Keep It Simple Makeup Guide, I break down every aspect of makeup. Of course, keeping it simple, all the way from skincare, guidance on figuring out your skin type, foundation shade formula, concealer, brows, all of that. So if that is something that you're interested in, check it out. For our first round of products here, I've got some hair care. So I'm gonna be doing a hair series soon, and basically I'm going to be trying different brands because we are back. The curls are popping, 100% natural, but this I am loving. This is the Pattern Beauty Clarifying Shampoo. I believe Pattern will be the first brand that Pattern will be the first one for that series. This is the clarifying shampoo. I use clarifying shampoos on myself. I use them in salon on my clients. It is essential. You want to make sure that you're getting all the buildup and all the residue off of your hair. I feel like all the rage right now is, I'm the kind of person where I say no oils, no butters, and there's people that are like, oh, well, I need to use it. Here's the thing. That's just my professional opinion. Heavy on the opinion, all right? I am not the law. I am not the Bible. That is just what I have found works best for me. That is how I do my clients in the salon. Their hair is not dehydrated, but I digress. But keep in mind that these are just my recommendations, okay? So yes, I am a professional. I am a licensed cosmetologist. However, if you're doing something and you are happy with your hair, that goes for your makeup, anything that I talk about. If you are happy with it, good. That's just my opinion. This clarifying shampoo, I like it. It is not drying. I feel like that's a huge thing with the natural hair world. Well, at one point it was no shampoo, and that to me that's something I won't ever get behind. You need to shampoo your hair. But clarifying shampoo, there are clarifying shampoos that are made for curly hair. There are clarifying shampoos that are made for natural hair. So therefore, it's not going to be as drying. It's not going to strip your hair. You just gotta find the right one that works best for you. Pattern Beauty Clarifying Shampoo, I approve. It is fantastic. There are some other things in the brand that I do like, and then there are some other things in the brand that just didn't work out for me. Now we've got skincare. Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow. As you can see, I am down to the wire. This has lasted me a long time. I purchased this during the last Sephora sale, so that was in the springtime. I love this toner, and here's why. It is hydrating. Now, it's marketed as a pore tight toner, and I can't sit here and say, oh yeah, I noticed that it makes my pores look tighter. Like, there's nothing that's gonna tighten your pores. I mean, your pores are your pores. You can't just open and shut them. They're not a door. However, I can say that for me, because of the cleansers that I use, they tend to have salicylic acid, so sometimes they can be a little bit drying on the skin. So going in with a toner like this, toners are gonna just, get any residue that maybe was left over that you maybe missed from when you were cleansing. And then the fact that this is hydrating, it just feels so good on the skin. I'm pulling this up right now because I wanna see exactly what Sephora says about it. Give me one momento, por favor. Yes, so PHA, BHA infused watermelon toner that hydrates skin and minimizes the appearance of pores. Okay, so pore minimizing. All I know is This makes my skin feel fantastic, and for that, I'm a fan. It says that it is for normal, dry, combination, and oily. I agree with that. Skincare concerns, pores, dryness, and dullness. Okay, cool. I will be fluctuating between this and the Ole Henriksen toner, just simply because I feel like the Ole Henriksen toner, it really does help with texture. I can't say that I haven't been dealing with acne here recently, which I am just so grateful for. However, I still do have some texture here and there, so yeah. Next up here on the skincare, this Ole Henriksen Dewtopia. So this is a 20% acid night treatment. I am going to drop my cash on night products for my skin, period. That's just where I'm at in life. That's what I'm gonna do. As you can see, I have been using this. So I will use this serum. So what it is a 10% AHAs, 10% PHAs, and lemon enzyme. It is a night serum and you wanna apply it to your face and to your neck. It's gonna help with wrinkles, fine lines, texture, all of that. Just, you know, trying to keep everything nice and tight. And then I will top it off with this Ole Henriksen. This is the Transform Plus Good Night Glow Retinol Sleeping Cream. Smells good, and that is what it's purple. The light is, can't see it, but I have been loving my nighttime skincare situation. If you want to see that, let me know, because it has changed a little bit. And then I've also been implementing, I've had this for a good bit, but now I'm like doing it at least every 2 to 3 days as needed. The Lemonade Soothing Scrub. This smells so good. I really hope they kind of come out with a whole line that maybe smells like this, because it smells divine, and it's a light exfoliator, so it's not anything that's too aggressive where you have to worry about breaking your skin. And last but not least, the one and only sunscreen SPF that I have been using that doesn't break me out, that goes on clear, that I can put makeup over. This is the Paula's Choice Ultra Light Daily Hydrating Fluid Broad Spectrum SPF 30. I know I'm late to the party, but this is for blemish prone skin, hydrates without clogging pores, helps prevent UV damage and signs of aging. So I was gonna do a blog post on my website all about my favorite SPFs, and I've been trying a bunch of different ones, and I have the, how do you say it, Inner C? Is that what it is? NSC, I can't think of the name, but you know what I'm talking about. I have that original formula, and on the weekends, I do wear that one on my face. I haven't had any issues with it breaking me out, but like I said, I only wear it on the weekends because I don't wear makeup when I'm just home during the weekend running my errands. And then they also had a matte version as well, and the matte version, I just got that in the other day, and I was wear testing it, and it gave me a cast. I was purple, so I was like, you know what? I don't know that I'll be able to do the post about my favorite sun SPFs, but anywho, this one is fantastic. Next up here, we've got some makeup products. So the Nars Soft Matte Foundation. So this is one of those foundations that I kind of had a love-hate relationship with. I love it. It looks beautiful on the skin. However, I feel like when I was trying to use it at one point, I want to say that's when the weather was breaking down. We were getting cooler. It was way too matte. And then I try it again, and I just kind of feel like, ooh, this is not looking good on my skin. Just right now, these days, you guys, I'm just really, I don't like the overly matte look on my skin anymore. I feel like it's kind of aging. And also, it just makes the skin look, the skin doesn't look as healthy, and it just has really been emphasizing my texture. Tried this out the other day because now I am back to wearing foundation in the salon, and I used a sponge instead of a brush. Game changer. It looked totally different on my skin, so I am digging this. Next up here, the Lancome Tint Dole Ultra Wear All Over Concealer. This is my current favorite concealer. I have a video coming up on this. It will be, will this be the next video? Hold on, I've got my little calendar here, and I'll tell you right now. So it will be coming up next week. So this will come up on next Wednesday. I love this concealer, okay? Don't want to say too much about it because, like I said, it is in next week's video, but fantastic. Also, Makeup by Mario, the Sculpting Stick in dark. This is beautiful. beautiful, beautiful. So I am already starting to kind of transition over a little bit. During the summertime, I don't mind like my bronzers and things to look a little bit more warmer, but as we start transitioning, which we have not transitioned here in North Carolina, it is still hot as fire. However, I do tend to switch over to maybe a bronzer that's not as warm or just a contour. I don't know why I do that. I've just always done that. This right here, I'm gonna have a video dedicated to this as well. The Lys Triple Fix Powder. This is the only setting powder that I have been using. It's just fantastic. I like to use the shade Banana, which is brilliant. And then for my lips here, I've got on the Sephora collection lip liners. I say this all the time. Don't sleep on Sephora collection. If you would like to see a video of my favorite Sephora collection products, let me know in the comments, because Sephora collection has some gems. This liner in Molasses, like the staple brown girl nude lippy, this is it right here. And this is a gel liner, so it's not your traditional pencil liner. I know sometimes they can be a little drying and skip on the lips. This is smooth. And then I topped it with this Natasha Denona Lipophoria in Caramel, and it just gives this beautiful nude lip situation, which your girl is here for. For mascaras, I have been venturing off into drugstore mascaras. I've left high-end for a little bit. I'm sure I'll be back. I always come back. e.l.f. Big Mood Mascara. Big mood. I like it a lot. So the brush is big, so be aware of that. However, I just love how dark this mascara is, and I like that I can layer it and it not get clumpy on me. I'm always going to be down for a good, affordable mascara. Keep in mind, you know, just because something is affordable, I think we feel, oh, well, if it sucks, that's okay. No, like, you want affordable and good. That's the sweet spot, and that is what that mascara is. And then this palette, this has just been the palette I have been using for months now. Natasha Denona Bronze. This palette is bae. This is what I have on my eyes right now. It is beautiful. And then I want to talk about a few lifestyle things. So the earrings that I have on, I want to shout her out. I want you guys to make sure you follow her on her Instagram page. So these earrings are by Beyond Bold and Beautiful. They're handmade. It is female owned, black owned, and they are so cute. So I have this pair here, and then I've got these studs, and then I've got these. Like, I've just been really into just, you know, some funky, unique jewelry. And then these are my favorite. I haven't worn these yet. Oh, the camera is not. Hold on, let me turn the light off and maybe that'll help. Boom, there you go. These are so cute. So I will be sure to leave her information down below and we'll put it on the screen here. Please go follow her, purchase from her, tell her I sent you. She's fantastic. I absolutely love her jewelry. Okay, so you guys know I'm a planner, all right? And I have been just heavy, probably for the past almost a year now. I do digital planning, so I do not have an actual tangible, like, handwritten planner. I do have like little notebooks and things for like my YouTube planning and whatnot, but for like my everyday life planning where I put everything and I'm into digital planning. However, I'm obsessed with my iPad. This is my iPad Air. I got this back in May. Yeah, May, because my old one just crashed on me, so I had to upgrade. I am an iPad user, all right? I am that person. I have the pencil that goes with it, and it's fantastic because I can take notes here. I take a lot of notes. I'm a creative. I have a lot of ideas. And what was going on with me was that I had a bunch of little stickies. I had a bunch of little notebooks all over the place, which I'd have a notebook here I'm going to show you, which is hilarious. But, and basically I had like all these notebooks all over the place. So all my thoughts are scattered. So having this, I can do my planning in it. I use this for work as well. So I use this to check out my clients, and I can keep notes in here. I keep up with my salon inventory. Just everything is in here, and I absolutely love it. And then I literally just got these things today. So I have one of these already and I wanted another one. Look how cute this is. So I got it from Hobby Lobby, and let me turn my lights off again because it's washing it out. It says making it up as I go. Because it's from Hobby Lobby, I don't think I'll be able to link it. Sorry guys, but It's available now. I went in there today. All the fall stuff is out and I'm just like, not yet, girl, not yet. But it's coming soon. I can't wait to do my fall decor because I'm gonna do all neutrals this year. Let me know if you're interested. I know whenever I do like home vlogs on my YouTube channel, it doesn't do well. However, it makes me happy. So if you wanna see like home fall decor, I know that is so off from everything else that I do, but it's just fun. So I got this and then I was walking by and I was just like, oh, someone decided to put me on a mug. Look how cute this is. Look at her and it says good vibes, which I am all about a good vibe. I am that annoying person that's always like, oh, the vibe's not right. That's me, and I don't care. This is cute. And then I do keep one notebook on my desk. This is the current notebook I have, and I've only got a few pages left. It says, always seems impossible until it's done. Nelson Mandela quote. Since this is almost over, I got this cute little one and it's just marble. I love marble with the little eyelashes. So my desk notebook is when I think of something or if I'm doing something on the computer and I need to write something down. That is what that is for. Lo is home. Hi, honey. How are you? Come say hi to the camera. You're honey, you a hard working man. It's okay. Hi. Hi. Lo, I'm filming my August favorites and there's Rocket. So I'm so proud of Lo, y'all. So he made a promise to himself this year that he was gonna be in the gym every week and he has since January. And how many pounds are you down now? 29. He's down 29 pounds. Clap it up for Lo. In the comments, say go Lo. Especially that lets you know he made it this far and I'm so proud of him because he feels so good and he feels so confident and there's nothing is as great as when you see your significant other like actually coming into themselves and they just feel good. It's a beautiful thing. So yeah, that's all I got for my favorites. Down below, let me know some of your favorite products. What are you liking? What are you not liking? And I love y'all. I appreciate you so much. You know the deal. Keep it simple and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.